Welcome to Insight Technology, the first title in the Insight series produced exclusively by Optonica Limited. Enter a world where you can explore with interest the varied and exciting topics contained within. Have you ever wondered how things actually work? From the humble ballpoint pen to the mighty space shuttle. Well, Insight Technology is here to answer your questions. With over 300 full-color computer graphic images ranging from static exploded diagrams to wonderful animations. Plus an extensive photo library containing over 700 photographs produced as eye-catching and entertaining narrated slideshows. Read in depth about each topic and see topics spring to life with motion video clips. Insight Technology has been designed in an easy pick-up-and-read style to be exciting, informative, and educational for you and your family. Optonica Limited are currently producing new titles in the Insight series for CD-TV on a wide range of interesting and informative subjects, ranging from international travel guides to the living body. The manual typewriter uses a system of key-operated levers to bring individual typeface letters onto the paper. Because it has no electrically powered parts, the manual typewriter relies entirely on the force that the typist puts on the keys to print a clear, strong character. The manual type An electron microscope uses electrons fired from a gun, which are reflected off the viewed specimen into a special 35mm camera unit to produce stunning, highly magnified photographs.